Now, as a supplemental to the 3-part series, this would be kind of a part 4, but it's just a really quick. Some people will say, well, I've copied all the Windows installer files to, am I covering up the microphone? I've copied all the Windows installer files to my memory stick on a NTFS formatted memory stick and had it work just fine without doing all this disk part crap and everything. Well, that may be true. About half the time that'll actually work. It just depends on what kind of, well, one, what state the memory stick was in when it was shipped to you, how it was partitioned, because they always come formatted and partitioned, usually FAT32, but, and it too depends on what the memory stick has been used for in the past. Doing this using Microsoft's command line disk partitioning tool to properly clean the drive, repartition it, and make that partition the active partition ensures that it's going to boot every single time and you're not going to have any issues. So if anyone was wondering, that's why you have to go through the trouble of using this part and the command line and all that. So, other questions. What computers will the bootable thumb drive work on? Well, this should work on any PC, technically any motherboard that has USB 2.0 ports and that has the ability to boot from those ports. Now, most any PC or motherboard made within the last 5 years is going to have that kind of support. Now, it may not have an on-the-fly menu where you can just hit, like I hit F11 in the example video and got a boot menu to choose from. It may not have that type of functionality, but you should be able to hit delete at the post screen, go into the BIOS, and change it somehow so that it boots to that USB drive. How to do that is beyond the scope of this how-to, because there are so many different BIOS versions and so many different variations, you'd just never be able to cover them all. So.